Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 10-minute ab and core workout, and we will go ahead and get started on the ground with a mat. Alright, first exercise, we're going to meet in a high plank with our feet wider than the hips. Right arm is going to reach as the hips pike up, tapping the left ankle, and then you switch sides, reaching across the body. Let's get to it. Take a breather and roll out those wrists. Nice job, you guys. We are going to stay in our plank for round 2. So hands right under your shoulder, feet are back. You're going to bear crawl, right foot in, right foot back, and then switch left side, right side, alternating each time. Here we go. Rest and flip on over to your back side. We are going to bring our feet to the ground, hands behind the head, elbows are wide. You're going to lift the right knee, twist knee to elbow, and then the right leg extends, reaching for the toe, and you're only staying on that right side for this first set. And we'll begin. All right, take a breather, you guys. Heading into side 2, those same 2 movements. Lift the left knee to the right elbow. Find that full extension, reaching for the toe. Really finding that twist in your torso, working our obliques. And we'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Rest. All right, you guys, we are going to be taking our bicycle. So twisting opposite elbow to opposite knee as that opposite leg extends nice and long. Our shoulders stay hovering up and off of the mat, and you can take this at your own tempo. Here we go. And breathe. All right, you guys, head goes flat to the mat, legs to tabletop. We take a dead bug, reach the left leg, right arm long, and then switch sides, right leg, left arm, keeping our low back connected to the mat, working those deep core muscles. Make sure to breathe. Rest. All right, you guys, take those legs at the tabletop position. You're going to lower the arms and legs away from one another, and then exhale as you lift back up to your starting position, letting those toes just hover above the ground and reaching those arms only as high as you can maintain control. Here we go. And breathe. All right, you guys, bring your knees into your chest, lift your shoulders. You're going to take a lower body curl, and then exhale, reach the arms and legs nice and long away from one another. As those knees pull in, think of pulling your tailbone up and off of the ground, really getting those low abs fired up. Here we go. Nice work, you guys. Take your feet flat, hands come behind your head. You're going to reach the left arm across the chest and then the right arm across the chest. So you can take this nice and slow, or you can speed it up and keep those shoulders hovering the entire time, but you really want to reach up and on that diagonal. Here we go. All right, amazing work, you guys. Rock and roll yourself up and meet me in your high plank for your final exercise of today's class. We are taking mountain climbers, driving the knees in towards our chest, keeping our shoulders down the back, and really taking an exhale each time that knee pulls in. Let's get to it. All right, take a final breather and give yourself a big round of applause. You guys, that's all I've got for you today. Hope you enjoyed the workout. Hope those abs are burning. And if you liked today's video, let me know in those comments. I love hearing from you.